Hey there, I'm Mike from Tools For Us, and I'm excited to introduce your new best friend for those tricky jobs around the house, the Endoscope Camera with Light. Whether you're a dedicated DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this gadget is set to revolutionize how you tackle tasks, making your life a whole lot easier. Featuring a vibrant 4.3-inch IPS screen, this endoscope delivers crystal-clear 1920p HD images in real time. Just imagine seeing every detail with clarity, even in the darkest corners thanks to its 8 adjustable LED lights. And check this out, it's IP67 waterproof, so you can use it in wet or harsh environments without worry. The 16.4 feet semi-rigid cable is flexible yet sturdy, bending around tight corners effortlessly. No complicated setups here. Just power it on and go. No need to mess with Wi-Fi or download apps. It's ready when you are. Plus, it's ergonomically designed for comfort, ensuring fatigue-free operation. Wait, there's more. With handy extras like a hook, magnet, and side mirror, you can tackle any job with precision. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. So, whether you're fixing pipes, exploring for lost items, or simply curious about what's hidden away, the Endoscope Camera with Light is your go-to gadget. Click the link to grab yours now and see what you've been missing.